Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. Today, we are going to understand how to create a supervisory organization. How to create a supervisory organization. To create a supervisory access, we need to go to the search bar. In the search bar, we need to enter create supervisor. We need to enter shortcut create S. You weigh immediately you will get few draft downs. First one is create a supervisory organization task. Have a tap on that. We select your reorganization in this database. If your organization has been existed, you can directly enter your organization name. You are very new to this department, to the Workday, or your organization recently adopted to the workplace services. Then what you need to do is you need to tap onto these three action dots and action lines. You have an option called create and reorganization. What is that create and reorganization? In this create and reorganization, we need to enter the reorganization name. What is the reorganization name we need to enter? What is the reorganization name? We can keep. It has, you see if private limited, see if software private limited, coming to this below the reorganization dates. What is this? Reorganization dates? We need to give the organization started date. In this we can able to select, as I already said we can able to select the three dates. One would be at past, current and future. The sequence is related to the past means we need to submit along with the documents. We need to give the data hand oration as well. Current means only the date. Documents is required and future also has been documents has been required. Daily activities was going to be on. Continuation has for the work. They clean and the norms and description. It's an software organization. You know what is mean by description. Have it up to and we'll get our organization name on here. Have it up to. This is how we need to create a supervisory organization. See what are all details. We have it. These are all details we have in the to create and supervise the organization. To create a supervisory organization. We need to enter here the name of the supervisor. Which name is suitable for the supervisor? We can mention as a Suresh. That's you. Are you? Suresh. You can enter the name of Suresh. The supervisory and have enabled this both through the bloggers, including the organization ID name, including why we need to enable. Whenever we are going to create any ID in the organization, we need to create along with his name and the employee. Why we are going to create an employee in the sense in between this. For example, I am creating my ID would be at Suresh in the same organization. There was a lot of Sureshes will be available. If I specifically given certain employer ID to my name, definitely I can able to identify easily and whom server, the person who is going to track my daily activities. They will also can easily track my daily activities through my name and along with the employee ID. I'm just giving my employee would be at 55, 88, 99 and coming to the below. I'm just going to tapping on to the subtype. Have a tap on to the subtype. We have approximately 5 options: company, department, division, group and project. Company means we can assign a supervisor to the company. Department is either I can able to assign the supervisor individual departments within the organization like HR team, training team, operations team, other relevant and departments. What is mean by division? Division in the sense whenever your organization having in multiple branches within the same state or different states. Your organization, you need to sell it, and division option, we can thoroughly understand how the supervisor is going to pay an essay into the other branches, not to the headquarter, coming to the group in the sense again, whenever if it is we are going to creating any new groups to the organization, any departments we can assign to those groups to this particular supervisor project. In the sense again, it comes to the whenever the supervisory organization has been conducted for the operation supervisory activities as well, like we can assign this supervisor to the individual projects within the organization to manage and take care and observe the things and related material stuff. Now I am going to sell it as an company has of no, and coming to the visibility, I'm going to sell it as an everyone and the URL. If I created my URL, my organization URL, I can directly enter here, oh cloud.com. I got it. It's a cloud foundation software com. I have my website has been available, and coming to the location, we need to select the location of the employee from here. I'm just entering Hyderabad, the location I'm selecting in Hyderabad. Whatever the location, Pan India plan, global, Canada, Australia, US, wherever you can able to sell at the location from where you was going to assign this supervisor. Which state, country you can select your location from. Here and coming to the below, we need to select the position management. Why we need to select the position management and job management? You people have separate topic discussion. For this, for the position management and the job management and other staffing models, you can understand what is exact mean by position management and job management. Coming to that essay and roles, what is mean by assigning roles? We can understand that. Now assigning roles, first I'm going to delete all this. I say in roles which already automatically has been activated post that I'll give an update to you people. Just give me a minute. Whenever you people going to create a new supervisory organization, supervisor in your organization, you will get exact like this. No data under the assigning roles on this particular data point. We need to tap on this plus mark on here. What are all responsibilities we are going to hand or into this supervisory? We're going to add all those departments related information on here. I'm going to adding the department of, first is human resource department. I'm going to hand over. Similar to organization, creating stuff, training you, I'm coming to here. I'm going to add the payroll marketing and coming to the essay into I need to sell it my existing supervisor which is available from the head office. You post completing your essay and roles come to the organization assessment. In this we are going to add the first top 3 content. Same, like organization created company cost cutting region. Under the company, I'm going to add my company CF or Cloud Foundation Australia. Something was there. Someone has been created. I think I'm selecting this coming to the cost center. I'm going to add my payroll team. I'm going to add my payroll team to support for the supervisor. Supervisor will get a separate budget from the organization to maintain the organization related stuff. Go with cloud. C, please do not consider this. Beach Cloud and RBCB Beach Cloud and Cloud Foundation WDG3. You will get only your organization related name, only the Cloud Foundation. Have a select of that option. Since this is a training data, the extra WDG3 was getting involving on this. On here, we need to select our location, which location you based on from as of now. I'm just going with North America with. I don't have any alternative options for this particular blogger. If you people was being stand in your life tenant, you people will get based on your organization location histories and your current location and state and country related details post completing these all activities. Coming to the identified identifications in this, you can have a tap on to this place. Mark select of your country. Enter your country on here. Government ID other, and you can enter your other number on here. 16 digits of your other number. You have entered other issuing date on here. If it is abroad countries, they used to take for your passport, passport details on here. You suppose entering all your details. Come to the staffing mode, have a tap on to. I successfully created my supervisory organization in the name of Suresh. Now let me check my supervisory organization has been visible or not. Have a tap onto the icon. Come to the main menu. I got my ID. It successfully created its name of Suresh. This is how we supposed to create and supervisory organizations in the tenant. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.